Hi everyone, Ian Aldridge here from Progressive Legal, talking specifically about trademarks today and how do you use a trademark to identify your brand in the market. When you apply for a trademark with IP Australia to get your registered rights, you can then use the TM symbol, and you would have seen that used by some of these big brands with a small TM, capital T, capital M at the bottom after their either business name, logo, tagline, or even their derivative products. You'll see a little TM. That means either they're in the process of registration or they're in the market using this brand in a very big way, and you can do it as well. Just like you would find that, the copyright symbol, it doesn't mean that the copyright is registered. It just means that you have put your stamp on that piece of intellectual property and to say to others, hey, this is my brand, this is my logo, this is mine. Don't try and copy it, because we're really serious about our intellectual property. And then once it's gone through the process of the registration of the trademark, which is a little lengthy process, and we'll talk about that in another video, you then can change it to R, capital R with a circle around it. You would have seen that as well. You may not have been cognizant all these brands are flying around all the time, but if you have a look out for it, you'll see the TM and the R symbol. Once you've got the registered rights, then you can use the R symbol for your tagline or your logo or your business name. I hope that's been helpful. If you've got any more questions about trademarks or intellectual property generally, feel free to drop me a line or send me an email, or go to the website progressivelegal.com.au.